Hello, my friends. I am here today to share with you an open collaboration that my friend Martha of Martha Makes Art is hosting. It is called Shuffle, Cut, Create. Her prompts for this month are basket and furniture. So I'm going to go ahead and collage this. Now, I just saw Martha's video of what she did, and she did a painting, which is absolutely amazing. But she said you can do diamond art, you can draw, paint, collage, you could just do anything that you wanted to. Just join in and have fun with it. She uploads new prompts on the 25th of each month, so you have between now and the 25th to go ahead and participate. And she said you could also do the back ones as well if you wanted to. So at any rate, I've decided to go ahead and collage, and I've got a magazine page here, and I tore it in half by accident. I actually didn't mean to do that, but that's okay. I'm going to embrace the tear. I'm going to go ahead and adhere this to my blank page. As you can see, this is a blank white page, and I'm going to go ahead and put this magazine page down, both pieces, and then you'll see me color in the white line that separates the two pages. I didn't want bright white around the edges, so I went ahead and inked that real quick before I glue this down. Here I am with the torn piece. I'm going to go ahead and glue that on, and then I'll grab a marker and it's going to be a brown marker, and I'll just color in that little bit of white there just to make it blend a little bit. I'm not obsessed about it or anything, but just making it blend a little bit better than it is right now. Now, I don't really have a plan for this page. I grabbed some images. We're going to try those out, see what works. I did grab some furniture. I had some die cut furniture, a chair and a sofa. I think the chair is going to fit better, so I'm going to go ahead and adhere that to the page, and then I'll see what other images I happen to grab out of a magazine. I found a girl in a magazine. She's sitting crisscross applesauce. Remember that when our kids were in kindergarten? That's what they used to call it. So she's sitting crisscross applesauce, and she's reading a book. So I thought I'd go ahead and cut this out and see if she will fit in the chair. If she does, I think that'll be really, really cute. She is going to fit, so we're going to go ahead and glue her down, and that'll be furniture. So that'll be knocked out. And now we have to figure out what we're going to use for a basket. I found a basket full of flowers in the magazine, so I went ahead and I fussy cut that out, and I'm going to put that next to the chair. So far, so good, but I feel like I'd like to take up at least a little bit of the space that's on the deck behind the girl. So I'm looking for something that might work. I decided the image that I just cut out is not going to work, but I found a dog and I fussy cut that out, and I'm going to put him sort of behind the flowers, but like coming up over them, and I think that's going to be super, super cute. I'm loving this. So I am going to put a butterfly flying around. I know that the size isn't really accurate, but whatever, it's a collage. It'll be good. And then I'm putting a moth up a little bit higher. Probably could have done without those, but you know, this is a whimsical collage, so I'm pretty happy with it. Here it is up close. It makes me smile. That's really all I care about. So I hope it makes you smile too. Thanks for watching. See you soon.